Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
So Google I/O is over, but you never been able to attend the live stream. Don't worry, I have covered it in this video. So I'm your friend Manish and you're watching Technical Chaharji. Let's get started with the video. So this time around, there are many updates about the new Android, which is Android features. So let's get started with the video. And as the David Brooks said,
with Android P, we put a special emphasis on simplicity.
Gestures that are very similar to iPhone 10 gestures, and that isn't a really bad thing, but to make our life more easier, we have Android features now, apps that we use, also like actions in the app as well. Suppose in the morning we might show something like a workout, and in the workout you get it reminding us that we have to do the workout really starting in the morning. It's everywhere in Android P. Adaptive Battery is one of the features which uses AI, and they will tell us that which app we use more and which app we doesn't use more. So it will save your battery, so you can use your battery adaptively throughout the day. And basically it also uses Android AI brightness features, which automatically adjusts the brightness according to our needs. So I/O is nothing I/O without the assistants. So this time Google I/O Assistant has got 6 new voices.
And we are adding, as of today, 6 new voices to the Google Assistant.
6 new voices, right? You heard it right. 6 new voices are coming to Google I/O right now. Even this time, Google shows us that Google Assistants will help us provide the reservation that we need. So this time, let me show you with a clip from the Google I/O.
So how can I help you?
Hi, I'm calling to book a women's haircut for a client. I'm looking for something on May 3rd.
Sure, give me 1 second. Sure, what time are you looking for around?
Today, we're going to unveil a new visual canvas for the Google Assistant across screens.
There will also be some visual grids coming into the Google system to make full use of our phone screens. And all of the screen that will come into plus Google system will also help us in get to the bedtime. We can just wind up at 10 p.m. and the screen will turn gracefully, telling us to sleep.
Don't worry, all the colors return in the morning when you wake up.
These changes will be coming to your Android devices later this summer. So this time around, Google Photos also get a lot of luck this year. Most of it was focused around making our photos better. And you can add more vibrant to the photos.
So we are bringing a new feature called Suggested Actions.
This option will bring out more of the sharing options, editing options, and more importantly, which you're going to see is right now.
It can recognize, convert the document to PDF, and make it.
So you've got, guys, the feature which they're going to use. You can just scan a document, write it out on the table. I know even the cam scanner is doing right now, but even lying separately over there and just to scan it and it will convert to a PDF. So this feature is going to come in the coming months. So Google Lens is also getting some awesome features. So let me tell you, even if you're reading a book and want to copy some text from it, you can simply do that and it will convert into a normal message. You can send it to via WhatsApp, via message. So all the Google Lens will be integrated into the top phones which are coming right now. Google Maps also received a bunch of new features.
Open the camera. You instantly know where you are.
We're adding a new tab to Maps called For You.
With For You, Google wants Maps to be your go-to place for discovering new places to go to, new restaurant to eat at, including a feature called Your Match, which is incredibly your match uses machine learning to combine what Google knows about hundreds of millions of places.
Your match uses machine learning to combine what Google knows about hundreds of millions of places with the information that I've added. Restaurants I've rated, cuisines I've liked, and places that I've been to.
Last update which they showed us is of the Gmail. Yes, Gmail is already there with a bold new design and lot of new features also there, taking up a step further with the smart compose.
Name suggests we use machine learning to start suggesting phrases for you as you type. All you need to do is to hit tab and keep auto completing.
Feature is still not here, but definitely I'm excited about it and going to use it.
So that's all the features and updates from the Google I/O. I hope you liked the video. Please like it and share this video, and please subscribe to my channel.